Never get tired of having several EDC in your collection, some can actually be addictive. As a result of their unique features, and Mackie CP3 will definitely become your favorite slider. Mackie CP3 is a stainless steel fidget toy with a 3-layer structure design, which can achieve 2 transitions, 2 sounds, and a guide rail in the middle. 3 different materials of stainless steel and zirconium alloy are used to make the 2 different fidget slider pressure reducing artifacts to give you a satisfying sliding effect.